All right, fam, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Brett. Today is going to be a really short video. We're just going to introduce the newest equipment to the channel. I got it here. I mentioned in earlier videos I'm getting a drone. Well, we finally got it in. We got the DJI Mini 4 Pro. You can see that here. So we're going to set that up there on the hood of the Jeep. And it comes with the RC2 controller. So I got the built-in screen. And it is a Fly More kit, so I have 2 extra batteries and a charging hub as well, if you can see that there. So, and it comes with this bag as well, some cables. So what we're going to try to do now is go ahead and get this thing in the air. So I'm going to power it up. There's probably some firmware updates we'll have to go through, and we'll initialize the programming. I think I have to link it between the controller and the drone itself. And hopefully we could get it in the air today. So that's all I'm going to really do is put it in the air, get a couple shots, and then we'll wrap this video up for you guys. But since I consider you guys all family, all my subscribers, I want to go ahead and keep you guys updated on anything new that's coming to the channel. This one took a little while to get in. I know I mentioned it about a month and a half back, but the first one was actually blocked at customs and it never made it. And I had to reorder it. I found it out of New York, so I got it here from a source here stateside, because the first one straight from DJI was blocked at customs and I never received it. So, and then since then, the prices of these drones have went up about 30 to 40% in value. So yeah, I was lucky enough to get this one just in time. So let me go ahead and power this thing up and see what we have to do to get this thing in the air. All right, so we got our drone here, we got our controller. I'm gonna start with the controller. I'm gonna put the joysticks on. So there's just a little place in back that they sat there. And you just screw them on. And then we'll go ahead and take our propeller protecting cover off of here and just set that aside, and we'll swing the arms open. We'll take care not to break our propellers. It's out like that. And lastly, I'll take the gimbal guard off, set that over here. All right, so that's the drone. We're going to go ahead and get this thing in the air. I'm going to go across the way here and probably set it on the ground over there.
Home point updated.
All right. So we're in the air. Well, all right, fam. So that's it. We went ahead and put the DJI Mini 4 Pro in the air. I think I got some footage for you guys, so hopefully I put together a pretty decent video for you. Hopefully you enjoyed what you saw today. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. And as always, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you've been sitting on the fence, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It could help the channel out a lot. And hit that notification bell to be notified of my next episode. And until next time, stay good, family. Peace.